Alright guys, so it is my last day out here in Egypt and we're gonna head out to the Red Sea and enjoy a day on the water, so let's head on out. They even got a little amusement park out here. That's cute. That one's not doing too good. I love this color.
Life jacket.
There's already so many here. And this is where my Egypt series ends because unfortunately my camera decided that time to suddenly not become waterproof anymore. But had an amazing time in the Red Sea. Believe it or not, came face to face with a moray eel right after the camera broke down. And yeah, so that is it for Egypt, and on to the next one. Hi, I hope you enjoyed watching my day. I put out new videos every Friday, so please subscribe to my travel blog and come with me as I plan to visit every country in the world.